people talk about culture in various facets, saying this is what we want to do, this is what I do believe, and I very, very strongly believe in my experience of so many years, that the leader kind of drives the culture of an organization. And it is very important for the way a leader communicates, the way a leader behaves, the way a leader imbibes trust in his people, that a culture is built. So if you have a leader who talks about innovation and openness, however, if one innovates and goes out of his way to display something is not encouraged, then there's no point. So a leader actually shows the way the organization has to follow, and therefore he's called a leader. He or she is called a leader because they're leading the way. But what is important is to include everyone. A lot of times you should be held at awe, you should be respected, but you should not be feared. And when a leader, through his openness and through his or her communication, displays this in various occasions, so be it an employee town hall or be it interaction with his or her direct team and the staff below, I think the body language a leader displays, the kind of words they use, the kind of communication that happens with all staff kind of helps build the culture of the organization. Yes, so I worked with the financial services which was going through a major divestment. I used to be the HR in charge for the bank, and it was a big turmoil situation. So change, conflict, roles changing, roles getting expanded or contracted, and I have seen a leader display just two things with people, and that made so much of a change. I have seen the leader display trust in his, so it was a man, therefore I use the word his. I saw him display trust in his people, and I saw him display empathy, not sympathy, empathy of the situation that a person was in. There was never reprimand, and I have seen him put his hand across people's shoulder. I have and that made me as an HR lead handle the transition much better. So in terms of a culture, we spoke about openness, we spoke about transparency, we spoke about being a family together in it, and he displayed it. There was so much trust that was oozing out of his body that my work at least became much easier. People trusted him, and people trusted HR to say that he is what he speaks. So it really helps.